Some more video of how high the creek is. And normally this is a little peninsula that shoots out into the creek, but you can see it's completely covered and actually has some fairly good flowing water across it. You can see a little rim of grass. That's the actual creek bed. See how that water's flowing over it. So here we are back by the beehive. Just yesterday, this whole area here was all underwater. As you can see how all the grass is laid down, the way the water is flowing. The creek is still really high, just barely. Just barely in the riverbank. See a low spot here. Jakey, you're just going to go over the top of your boots, son. Come around.
I'll go.
See how high that creek is there.